Hello guys, in this video I will discuss on packages in Java. So firstly, package means like a folder. So why we create a folder? So here in our desktop there are so many folders are created, and a particular folder I stored similar files. Okay, so let's in this Java folder I stored only Java programs in this folder. Okay, so here online lectures related data, that means PPT, videos I stored in this folder. Similarly, in Java, package is a namespace that organizes a set of related classes and interfaces. Now, I show that when you open Eclipse IDE and create a new project, so I create here my project. And so in Java, there are two types of packages. First one is inbuilt packages and second one is user-defined packages. So inbuilt package provided by Java, and this is stored in JRE system library. And when we open this, there are uh, lot of packages are stored here. So I click on java.base and see here java.io package, java.lang package. That means in these packages, the in IO packages, java.io packages, input output related classes interfaces are stored in these packages. Okay, so utility based there is a java.util package. So this utility related classes and interfaces stored here. Okay, so this is built-in packages. So now we discuss user-defined packages. So if you want to, so now discuss second type is user-defined packages. And this package is created for our programming data, or organized our programming data. Okay, so right click on SRC and new packages. So for creating new package, we right click on SRC and new Java packages. And its naming convention is we have to write small case. We have to use small letter, and reverse of domain name. Domain name is like google.com, like this. So it's reverse, that means com dot my packages. Okay, so I use this name and then finish. Okay, so in this way we create user defined packages. So if you want to use inbuilt packages or use user defined packages, so I use import keyword. So here I discuss on that. So firstly I create new class, and this is our main class. So I click on public static void main, and here in this class I want to use array list, and array list, this class is located on java.util package. So here for using this array list, I have to import this package. So firstly I create object of array list, and for importing the package, click on array list and import this array list package java.util. So using import keyword, we can use Java packages. So here java.util this package, and I want to particular class, so I use dot array list. Okay, so in this way you can use, using import keyword, you can use package in our project.